What's going on? So this is a Walmart store in United States, and on 30 to 31st March, the sales were $3,049, and in the month of March, in 31 days, we have generated over $27,000 in March, and in February it was $17,519, and in January it's again $17,342. So on an average, we generate around 17 to 20. But last month we did 27, and on the coming month, we'll keep doing above $20,000 sales or near to $30,000 sales. So you can achieve this kind of sales too. So where we are sourcing from Amazon Prime, Costco, Sam's Club. These are the retail websites where we source our products and our because they provide reliable and fast shipping products, and our product hunting criteria is pretty simple. We find products with at least 20% ROI. We try to find as much high ROI as possible, but at least 20%, you know what I mean. And profit margin is the important thing. And then we also check for the competition. So if a product is sold by multiple sellers, more than 10, then we kind of avoid it. Depends on the sales velocity, how much product is being sold in last 30 days. So depending on that, we make our decision. But avoid too much competition. And that's pretty much it. You can easily source your product from these websites and generate a good amount of money doing Walmart dropshipping. So you can do direct dropshipping, and the other way is two-step dropshipping. So those of you who don't know what is two-step dropshipping, basically you purchase some inventory of the product, like 5 units, 4 units of a single product, and then you ship it to your house or maybe 3PL warehouse where you repackage it, and then when you receive an order, we send it to directly to the customer. So that's two-step dropshipping, and I think two-step dropshipping is more reliable than one-step dropshipping in the beginning, especially if you're running a new store. Then you can mix it up with one-step and two-step dropshipping to generate even more sales. So this is it. If you are looking to run your Walmart store and generate an income, that's great opportunity in 2025. If you don't have time, you can contact me. We can automate this service for you and generate a passive income for you. Feel free to contact with me.